Welcome to the Backwoods Mechanic channel. If you like tool reviews, do-it-yourself videos, and you want a shot at winning some free tools, just go ahead and pop the clutch on that subscribe button and help this channel grow. Now today we are reviewing item number 96906 by Pittsburgh. It's an 8-inch long nose high voltage insulated pliers set from Harbor Freight. These aren't your typical long nose pliers. They are specifically designed to handle high voltage electricity, which is what you are looking at on the top, right there. This is the product we are discussing today. It has high voltage insulated grips that are rated for over 1,000 volts of electricity. So they're specifically designed to help protect you from 1,000 volts of electricity. Keeps you from getting electrocuted to death, which covers most household and do-it-yourself repairs, even industrial plant or heavy machinery repairs and more. Now, unless you're a professional electrician and you do this stuff all night and day long, then these are built to handle most electrical repairs that you might need. The insulated grips alone are designed with safety guards, all right? The safety guards are this right here where they stick out. That's to help prevent accidental contact with metal, which we all know is really easily to happen, especially if you've ever worked on a car and tried changing battery terminals out. You'll nick a piece of metal and then sparks will fly, and it's just a bad situation if you're messing around with a few hundred volts of electricity. These long nose pliers have been designed specifically to work on high voltage electricity. Now these are made in China, but they're made from job forged hardened vanadium steel construction with the Pittsburgh Professional name itself, which is laser etched, as you can see right here, into the body, and the 1,000 volt electrical rating is also printed on the thick rubber handles. Now the long nose has a superior hardened cutting edge, and it reaches further into confined spaces to grab, twist, crimp electrical wires, connectors, things of that nature. It has teeth right along the inside of the nose and a deeper jagged teeth, as you can see right here toward the center of the actual body, which is also good for crimping and cutting and things like that. And of course, the sharp edge right here on the bottom is specifically right here at the base of the mouth to help cut wires, which is what I will show you right now as we take this set and go ahead and pop these out of the box here. As you can see on the inside, you do have the teeth right here. You have the more jagged, pronounced teeth right here, and then you have got the cutting edge right here to cut wires with. Such as an example, we will go ahead and show you right here that it can cut perfectly fine. Take them and boom, there you go. Wire cut. Now these will do all the same functions as your regular long nose or needle nose pliers. They'll do all the super stuff that the other ones will do, except these will keep you much safer. They also conform to what is called the ASTM F1505 standard, which is the standard for insulated hand tools used for working on near or around electrical equipment conductors operating at 1,000 volts AC or 1,500 volts DC. They do also conform to the IEC 60900, the TUV, and the VDE standards, which all concerns electrical tools. The standards are met on this, specifically just like the professionals are. Now, other tools that have these exact same features are going to typically cost you right around $30 to $75, whereas this particular tool right here from Harbor Freight is going to cost you a whopping $5. You can just Google the different name brands: Channel Locks, WIA, Nipix, Irwin, Klein, Flux, Facom, however you pronounce that, and then just compare it to Pittsburgh itself. $5 compared to $70. Now the biggest difference, of course, is going to be the quality and durability of the metal itself. American, German, Taiwan, Japan, all that is a little bit better metal than what China is. But at the same time, these will do everything that those other ones will do. So most professional electricians are going to probably go out here, and I'm talking about the people that, you know, require doing heavy duty repairs on electrical lines and stuff like that all the time. They'll probably, you know, go buy the expensive name brands, and I don't blame them there. But these insulated 8-inch long nose pliers, capable of withstanding 1,000 volts will do the exact same job as the expensive ones. In fact, you could buy 6 to 15 of these for the price of what you could the other brands. Plus, this one comes with a lifetime warranty. So if it ever fails, it breaks, becomes damaged, just go ahead and return it to Harbor Freight and exchange it. Either way, it's just $5. You can afford to buy another set compared to, you know, throwing $30 to $70 at another set of name brand ones. So anybody who's a do-it-yourselfer out here, you do maintenance jobs, things of that nature, these are going to be right up your alley. You can't beat what you get with this particular product because it does the job it is intended to do, which is prevent you from getting electrocuted. Just as always, if you're working electricity, don't touch the uninsulated parts during use. You know, de-energize all the circuits. Don't use beyond 1,000 volts. Inspect your tools before each use. If they're damaged, you know, go warranty them, repair them, replace them, all that stuff. Don't inappropriately use them. Keep them clean from moisture. Wear protective gloves during use if possible. You know, make sure all that kind of stuff is done, and safety first. But if you all want to see more great products like this and see what's on the market, just hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment in the description box below. Tell me if you've used these, what your favorite pair of insulated long nose pliers are. But now, folks, these will do the exact job that they are intended to do. Here's your typical set of long nose pliers. If you set them on top, this is your typical set that you'll get at the store, your basic set. These are a little bit longer. They will reach a lot deeper into areas than what you think, and these are specifically built with the guards. That way, whenever you are working on something, and if you open that wide mouth up right there, they might clip a piece of metal any other time. It keeps you from bumping into it so that the metal itself stays protected from anything on the outside where your hands are. It keeps your hands protected so it cannot be going beyond a certain point. And of course, it's got every other little thing that you might need to get a job done with. But for $5, they do the same job as all these other ones on the market. Like I said, if anything, the quality of the metal itself is going to wear out sooner rather than later compared to all these big high-end name brand ones. But all you do right there, you take it, I'll use my teeth, I'm going to push down on it, and it pulls the wires right off. No problem. It does the job it was meant to do. You take it, you can even use it just like you would a linesman, all right? It's got the teeth right here. You take it, put it in between the teeth, you can twist it, turn it around. It stays good and locked up. And then you can put your adapters and connectors on here. Take the big teeth right here in the middle, use them to crimp it with, rather. Right there's the big teeth. I got everything ready, shove it into place, and then I smash it right down and I crimp what I need to crimp. These do all the same jobs as the professional pliers, the long nose. They're a little bit deeper. They only cost $5. The most important factor out of all of this is the fact that these are heavy-duty insulated grips that can withstand and are certified to withstand 1,000 volts of electricity. They say it on the box that it meets all the standards, and it has to be, otherwise they'd get sued if it didn't. And it's got a lifetime warranty on it. This is one of the bargain deals at Harbor Freight that everybody should own a pair of these. They will do a great job. They will save you a whole lot of money and could possibly save your life. It is worth buying these for the price you would buy a $5 pair in a bargain bin like the Regal name brand here. This right here, perfect little set to use for $5. Now, of course, the link will be in the description box below. Other tool reviews will be in the description box below for you to check out, where you can buy these products, details, information, all that stuff. Go check it out. And until next time, keep making repairs great again, folks.